Hello everybody, welcome to California Home Tours. My name is Luca Giani and today we're going to be touring 725 Via del Monte. Beautiful, beautiful area of Palos Verdes Estates, Los Angeles County, California. As you can see, we have an outstanding view of the Pacific Ocean spanning from Palos Verdes up until Malibu in the very clear days. Features 3,800 square feet of living area, 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, and it's just an outstanding new construction. Follow me inside to see this beautiful property. This amazing property features 3,800 square feet with a 4 bedroom, 4.5 bath, and you can see after the door, it opens up to this beautiful space. This amazing new construction residence, priced at $4.789 million, features 3,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 4.5 baths. And as you can see, there's plenty of open space. This amazing terrace right here, open up to the view of a coastal area. Today is a little cloudy, but usually you can have a view from Palos Verdes up to Malibu. We have this beautiful retractable glass doors. Amazing features. We are here on the top level of this 2-floor construction building. And on the ground floor, we have a beautiful infinity hedge pool with outdoor dining area, built-in barbecue, and it's just an outstanding space outside. Best feature of this home, we're gonna go through the different part of the house, but the best feature of this home, it's definitely the view. The home opened up this with an amazing open space, living room that connects in an open space to the kitchen. Amazing kitchen, design kitchen that features Sub-Zero Wolf appliances, white marble, beautiful chandelier and light fixtures, and also even from the kitchen you can have we have a magnificent view. A butler kitchen, fully equipped with an extra dishwasher, oven, fully equipped. So this house is perfect for entertaining. This designer kitchen features amazing Sub-Zero Wolf appliances. We have 6 fires right here and 2 separate open, right here and right here. Beautiful marble countertops. We have an amazing island right here with a waterfall marble island. And also we have a Sub-Zero fridge for wine, beverages. In the whole kitchen, there is plenty of storage, cabinets all over the places, but it still looks very clean. Today we're glad to show this beautiful property listed by Accardo Real Estate. Thanks to Marina Accardo and Tony Accardo to give us the chance to film and to show on our YouTube channel this amazing property. We're in the community of Malaga Cove, and in the surrounding area we have beach trails, hiking trails, golf course, private beach club, and it's just a beautiful area. This is the grand entrance of what is referred as Casa Mira del Sol. That's the name of the house, and after these stairs we're connecting to a 2-car garage space right off the main street. It's a very nice space for a two-car garage. We have plenty of space on the outside too, so the car space for cars is not limited to this two-car spot. We're going down these stairs, and while we're moving right here, we can see this, our aft bathroom right here, beautifully designed. And here it's the access to this beautifully designed master bedroom. Plenty of light, and as you can see here, there's a Peloton bike where you can work out in the morning, enjoying the magnificent view right here of the ocean. There's also doors that connects to the terrace in front of the living room. One of the two walk-in closet. And as I said, it's one of the two in a master bedroom. Here in this amazing master bathroom, we have a double vanity, beautiful shower. It's just an amazing space. There's the access to the second and larger walk-in closet that features a big window, so there's plenty of lights, plenty of space. And now we're gonna take a look at the downstairs, at the lower level of this home that feature the other three bedrooms and an amazing family entertainment space. Follow me downstairs. Here on the left, cabinet space with countertops. As you can see, this is the family entertainment space. Beautiful open space, same as upstairs. The outdoor is connected with an amazing flow, and we have these beautiful glass doors that open up to this outstanding outdoor area. Features lounge area, and we have this amazing infinity edge pool with a beautiful view. Outdoor dining area, a beautiful built-in barbecue with fridge, plenty of space, and we got our garden yard. Also, we have right there the access to the upstairs. A little gate with wooden stairs, and it's very eclectic space right here. You can only imagine what kind of atmosphere you can have here at nighttime. You know, you can entertain people, you can have a barbecue with your family, enjoying the infinity hedge pool, and also you have this little loggia with a lounge area and also another living room, family entertainment space. The rest of the lower floor features a beautiful laundry room right here with plenty of storage, independent sink. We also have a chalkboard right here. Here, follow me and we can check out this bonus room. It's a space that can become a beautiful man cave, playroom, extra office. So there's plenty of option on how to use this extra room. Right here, the access to one of the 3 bedrooms downstairs. Throughout the whole house, you have access to the stunning view of the ocean. We have plenty of storage space, so built-in closet right here, extra closet right there, so we have plenty of storage in this bedroom. And we also have a built-in bathroom. Beautiful space with a stunning view of the ocean, and you can see from the window our infinity edge pool. There's also here some storage, so this is staged as an office, but it's an extra bedroom. And also we have access through this door to the outdoor area. Little loggia that connects to the main outdoor area. There's also a door that connects also to the other bedroom. We have more storage, another closet, and also on the other side this beautifully designed bathroom. As you can see, it's a very clean design. I personally love this type of design. Very clean, very white, very in a way minimalistic. And on this side we're gonna access last bedroom. This last bedroom have also a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet, plenty of space here too. And also another beautiful bathroom. Tile throughout the house is Walker Zenger, and the design of this house has been done by Studiohouse, and it's just an outstanding work. This is Luca Giani. Behind the camera, it's Marco Tricca. If you want to help us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, press on the bell so you're going to be notified when new videos are going to be posted, and like our videos. We're going to be showing you some other amazing properties here in Southern California.